I think it is 6:45 now. So I will stop here. We will need to take one more special class or extra class for Sandhi. Anyway, we will go to the question answers now. I will see what are the questions and answer them. So Kasturi Bagini has asked about one question. Hotru plus likaraha. She is asking what is the answer for this? I think this was there in the exercise or somewhere she has seen that. It's a very good question. Hotru. So the letters involved are r and l. Now, as per Paninian rule, likara does not have a dirgha. The swara l does not have a dirgha. But as per Savarna dirgha sandhi rule, it says dirgha should come as the letter. Now, when you don't have a dirgha for l, how can dirgha letter come there? This is the question. And what is the letter we have to put as the answer? So at that time, the grammarians, they have given a solution. The likara r varnayoho. R and l can be taken as same when sound transformations are taking place. So when sound transformations are taking place, the likara can be considered as rikara, and the dirgha form of rikara, r, will be substituted for both. Hotru plus likara will become hotrikaraha. I request to increase font size in practice sheets and also the space between lines. Okay, we will try, sir. Can't we have the full class in Sanskrit only? We have earlier said that this full class cannot be in Sanskrit. This is for Sanskrit and it will be in Sanskrit and English. At this stage, we can't change because we require others, that is high school students in general and others also to understand. Can you show the line of Maheshwara Sutra which is applied for a given Sandhi? Yes, sir, I will show, sir. Pradnya's case I cannot now answer because she is referring to one. Shannavati, can you explain? Now, first it will be Shat plus Navati. Then it will become Shad plus Navati based on the Jastva Sandhi rule. Then it will become Shannavati based on another Sandhi rule. And this you will understand after I finish fully the Vyanjana Sandhis. So there are more than two Sandhis may be involved in Vyanjana Sandhis. So we have to be patient and learn all the Vyanjana Sandhis, and most of the questions are related to that. So Shannavati involves, does it involve only Stutva? How does Da become Na? All that is questioned. All that you will understand once I finish all the Sandhis. Even still at the end of Vyanjana Sandhi, if you still don't understand, please ask, I will explain. Then Shadananaha, Shat Ananaha. What is Shash? Shash is the Pratipadika or root form. Sa, Sha, Sha are part of Jal. So why Sa, Sha not part of Jastva Sandhi? So Pradnya has asked a very important question. Sa, Sha, Sha are a part of Jal. Sa, Sha are not a part of Jastva Sandhi. Now what happens? Certain rules overrule the other rules. So Jal, Jalam Jashonte is the rule of Jastva Sandhi. In Jal Varnas, you have Sa, Sha and Sha involved. The Sakara and Shakara, they become a part of another Sandhi. We will learn all those Sandhis all put together. If we analyze the tables of all the Vyanjana Sandhis, then we will know as to why Sa, Sha is not a part of Jasta Sandhi. So that will be a project work for the student where you have to analyze all the tables of all the Vyanjana Sandhis and see how there may be an overlap or there are different Sandhis which are occurring. Shiva Sundar, when splitting Jastva Sandhi word, how can we know which of the 4 letters of the concerned Varga is applicable? Yes. When you split, you have to know the word. That is the answer. Again, our anonymous attendee has asked a question. If we split it as Shash plus Anana, what is the meaning of Shash? Shash is the Pratipadika root form of the word. Shash also means 6. Can you explain how Shannavati will become Shadnavati in Shchutva Sandhi? I will explain. So Shannavati, first this Shannavati example I will explain after I do Anunasika and one more Sandhi. Okay. There are more questions on Shannavati. Okay. Dakara, seen last of first word, which vibhakti is used? It's usually to be Takara, right? So Ravi Kiran Mahodaya has got one question. Suppose we have seen Takara, Dakara. So first Jastva Sandhi is happening, then another Sandhi is happening. So your answer is the first letter becomes third letter and the third letter joins with third letter of Chavarga or something and becomes Chutva. So if you ask me which Sandhi has to be done first, that cannot be explained in this class because we have to understand Maheshwara Ashtadhyayi Sutras to understand the order of the Sandhis. So with this, we have finished the questions in this one. We will go for the question answer oral questions. Ravi Shankar Ranganath.
Namo Namaha Mahodaya. Etat Jagat, Etat Tika, Dvayorpade, Etad, and Dvayorapi Sandhi Madhye Kartum Shakyate va?
Yes, Dvayorapi Kartum Shakyate. So what happens is Etat, if the question is Etat plus Tika, okay, Takara becomes Dakara. Okay, Etad Tika. That Takara, how did it become Dakara? Based on Jastva rule. Now, then Dakara, when it joins with Takara also, it becomes what it becomes?
Etad Tika.
The Phale Bhedaha Nasti, the answer will not change. However, Etad, if the Etad is given directly, you can assume it is a Pratipadika form. Etad is the Shabda.
If we are asked to split this Sandhi, can we do it as Etat or Etad? Dvayorapi Shuddhameva.
For which one? Etat Tika.
Etat Tika. Shadanana iti pade Shat adhikam anana api kartum shakyameva.
Tadapi kartum shakyate.
Dhanyawada. Ram Ram.
Neil Shetty.
Ram sir. Sir, my doubt was in Shtutva Sandhi.
Okay.
And Shtutva Sandhi, you said that in the Purva Varna, you can have a Shakara or a Shakara and a Tavarga also. So then, sir, can you give an example of that kind?
Which one?
No, like you said that, like in the Shtutva Sandhi example, Purva Varna can be Sakara Tavarga or it can also be Shakara Chavarga.
Now, Purva Varna, Paravarna, can be anything. For example,
that's what.
Akrish plus Taha.
Okay.
We did one example there in the table. Ishu plus Taha.
Okay.
Now, Ishu plus Taha is Shakara, Murdhanya Shakara plus Taha. So how did it change to Ishtaha?
Okay.
Ishu plus Taha changed to Ishtaha.
Okay.
Akrish plus Taha, Akrish Taha is another example.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Ramana Mahodaya, I have a doubt. And Akshamrita. Regarding to the worksheet of Yan Sandhi, first main in 7th question, they have given blank Mahodaya. What?
I have to see that and tell you. I don't have the worksheet in front of me now.
And the second main, and in second main third question, Bhavatu plus Ekagryam. I didn't get the word, Mahodaya.
Bhavatu Ekagryam. So Ukara plus Ekara. What should be the result? Bhavatvekagryam. Bhavatvekagryam.
Okay, Mahodaya. And then fourth one, Matra plus Uktihi, Matruktihi. Is it correct?
Matra plus Uktihi. R plus U, what should come? R plus Asavarana Swara should become Repa.
Okay, ma. Thank you, Mahodaya.
Dhanyawada. Lata Vidyaranya. Lakshmi Narsimhan.
Namaste. Ha api mridu vanjanam asti va?
Hash. Ha is also a mridu vanjanam. Yes.
Dhanyawada.
A.S. Swaminathan. Rohan Bharadwaj, I think. Yes, Swaminathan has not lifted the hand. Okay.
Ram, sir.
Rohan.
Sir, I am getting confused with Shutva and Dashtva Sandhi.
Practice the table, write down the examples, write and practice, and then you will not get confused.
Sir, where it is, sir, the examples? Sir, in Vyoma only?
In Vyoma only. In the same presentation, it will be there.
Sir, if I have doubts, can you please clarify my doubts?
Yes, I will try.
Thank you, sir.
Soumya H.
Ram, sir.
Ram.
Sir, I had two doubts. Can one word undergo more than one Sandhi transformation? Sir?
It can undergo. Like it can undergo. Like we were explaining, no? Etad.
Yeah.
Etat can happen. Then you can have Tat Shivaha. So once we learn all the sandhis, Vyanjana sandhis especially, we will understand that one word can have multiple sandhis. Now, when multiple sandhis are, multiple transformations are involved, what is the order of the transformation? What transformation takes place? That order of the transformation we get to know only through Ashtadhyayi rules.
Okay.
There can be multiple sandhis involved. Answer
Okay.
to your question.
So does that imply that the Sandhi Karya also changes? Once it can be Adesha, then it can be Agama?
99% it will be Adesha only. Adesha only takes place. When multiple Karyas are happening, it will be Adesha only. The examples that are seen related to Adesha only. It can have a Adesha Lopa, but Agama and Adesha Karya cannot probably come. I have not seen such an example.
Okay. And what is Pratipadika, sir?
Pratipadika is the root form of a noun. Like Ramaha is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Rama is the Pratipadika form.
Okay. So when we say Akarantaha Pumlingaha Rama Shabdaha, that Rama is the Pratipadika word.
Yes. That is the Pratipadika.
Okay. Then we go on Ramaha. Then we start seeing the Vibhakti forms.
Yes.
Okay. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Dhanyavada. Balashankar Iyer, Neil Shetty is over. Balashankar Iyer, you finished your question?
Yes, sir. I got the answer for the question.
Okay. Tadvai Adarsh, you got the answer.
Ram, sir. No, sir, I have a doubt for many years, and I think sir, will this sandhis not be dangerous sometime? Like, what does I mean? For example, say, Purva Rupa Sandhi, Prapadye Lakshmir me Nashyatam. So it's actually Alakshmi, but there is no differentiate between Alakshmi and Lakshmi. So it entirely changes and distracts the meaning. No, sir. How you differentiate between them? I think my question is clear.
So we should be very careful. That's all. You should be you should understand the context and you should be very careful. That is the answer.
Sir, no, during reciting this, if they don't know meaning also, it's no problem. They say no, sir. For Vedas, you don't need to know meaning, just you should pronounce it correctly.
You should, if you learn from a correct guru, all these where there is a potential of an error happening, the guru will point out that in this place you be careful because the meaning will change. So you have to learn from the right guru who will guide you if he doesn't explain the meaning, or he will explain the meaning and guide you properly.
Thank you, sir. So here no differentiate between Prapadye and Lakshmi, you will not say, no, sir. Just you'll go on saying Prapadye Lakshmir me, and the meaning is understood as Alakshmi.
I don't know the context of this shloka.
Sir, Sri Suktam, sir. It says Sharanamaham Prapadye Lakshmir me Nashyatam. Sri
Suktam. I don't know the meaning of Vedas, and this is beyond the scope of this course.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Dhanyavad. Rajaratnam Jayalakshmi. You have any question?
Chitta Sandhi was little faster, sir. And examples, they showed very fast. We could not wait and see. That is my...
Can you
explain Chitta Sandhi once again, sir, tomorrow?
Tomorrow in the revision class, I will revise it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dhanyavad. Also, you have the video and the audio. You can listen to it after it will be uploaded by evening. So you can listen to the audio. I would request you to listen to the audio and then prepare for what you did not understand and what was the item which was fast. And then come prepared for the class so that when I explain the revision aspect, you will be able to understand.
Thank you, sir.
Dhanyavad.
Thank you.
We will end the class here today. Dhanyavadah. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। राम राम।